Hello everyone, welcome to Mobile Techland. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove unwanted objects from your photo. I have these beautiful photos and I want to remove the red paint from the wall and the flower. So to do that, I have to head over to Spot Healing tool. And with the help of Spot Healing tool, I can simply brush over and it will remove the object. But you can see the photo I'm using is a bit complex, so it will take more than a few times to remove the object. You can simply tap on it and within a minute you will have the object removed. But for the wall paint it is a bit easier. I would say it's a lot easier, so the spot healing tool will remove it very quickly. You can also decrease the size of the brush because sometimes you don't really need to remove the object completely. As you can see, the spot healing tool is very good when it comes to removing easier objects. So that's it. That's how you can remove any object from your photo. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.